So check it out. I put these on the garage door and they really just elevate the look of the garage door. You can't even tell that they're magnetic or that they're movable. And I'm going to show you up close. See how easy it is to take off and then put back on. And because they're magnetic, you can actually position it exactly where you want it to be and reposition it. So it was so easy to install.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
It was so easy to install, and that's what it looks like. I really like it. So for double garage doors, which I also have, I'm going to get, I think 2 sets will work for this. So there you go.